Back at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods with Steve Stack, and I know folks go to people's homes or maybe even buildings, they see this beautiful ornate wood trim around the ceiling, like crown molding, that sort of thing. They go like, they don't make that stuff anymore. Somebody makes that stuff, don't they? We make that stuff plus more. Our stock moldings, hundreds of stock moldings in our major species, the poplar, the oak, the maple, the cherry, some of the hickory. What's the most popular wood? Oh, right now that hickory is really popular, and a lot of painted product too. So the poplar wood is a good choice there. But as you can see, baseboards, casings, we have a ton of stock profiles. So a lot of people will take two pieces and stack them to get a different kind of look. But then you want something more custom, like I saw something I loved, or I don't know what it was. I'll draw it on a napkin. I come to you and go like, how about this? Do you have that? We have over 3,000 custom moldings in our library online under custom moldings, bairdbrothers.com, right? But you come in and you say, Steve, this profile baseboard, 8-inch baseboard, 8 inches tall, that's just what I was looking for. What's a line drawing do for me? Well, we give you a nice line drawing, but we'll take it one step further. From our engineering department, the files get shipped over to our IT guys. IT guys fire up the 3D printer, and we'll produce the actual sample for you to take home, check with the wife, say, hey, hon, how's this look? Right? Oh, honey, I brought home the companion casing too. Look at that. Let's put it up against the doors and windows, put it down at the floorboard. How's it work with our furniture or cabinetry, et cetera, et cetera? And if it's a go, it's a phone call, we place an order. A lot of technology, but still the human element. I preach the human element and the pride of our guys in the quality of products that we produce with their eyes and their heads. So you go to the website, or you can have people come out to the house, but you still welcome people out here to Canfield to check it out. 7060 Quarry Road. We're over there. Check it out. Thanks a lot, man.